Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in St. Catherine and we're giving you an update on the construction of the Rio Cobre water treatment plant. Now this is one of the most important developments on the way in Jamaica. It's being done by Vinci Construction, one of the largest French contractors in the world. Now the project is going to provide 15 million gallons of potable water to Kingston every day. That will solve the water problem that Kingston is having. Kingston has grown so fast that the two dams, the Mona Reservoir and the Hermitage Dam, can no longer supply water to the city when there's a drought. So this water treatment plant will provide 15 gallons of drinkable water to Kingston every day. They will set up pipes to take it from here to various points in Kingston. So this one is definitely a game changer. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The Rio Cobre water treatment plant is a major water infrastructure project being developed in St. Catherine, Jamaica. The facility is designed to treat water from the Rio Cobre and supply clean drinking water to communities in Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Catherine. It aims to provide water reliability in areas that have long experienced shortages. The project is being developed through a partnership involving the National Water Commission, which is responsible for distributing water across the island. The plant will treat millions of gallons of water each day using modern filtration and disinfection systems before pumping it into the national water network. Once completed, the Rio Cobre water treatment plant will help reduce dependence on underground wells and water trucking while supporting population growth and development in the Kingston metropolitan area. The project is expected to significantly strengthen Jamaica's water supply system and provide a more reliable source of potable water for hundreds of thousands of residents. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So we will keep you guys updated on this development and other major water infrastructure developments across Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.